guys bringing up beverages? Don't drink Ikea water, it's poison. They're trying to poison me, I know they are.
I'll sneak in the water. I'm gonna taste it.
They're taking away my freedom of speech, now they're trying to poison me with their Ikea water. I'm not allowed to say anything anymore. In a free country, a free press, freedom of speech. Ikea put a muzzle on me, I'm not allowed to say anything anymore. But hey, it's a beautiful day.
You can see this man's very thirsty.
Water for you.
Flag lady's trying to explain to this gentleman why she's taking the position that everyone's on strike. I don't know why she would have this position when she works for a flagging outfit. Very curious.
have to have an opinion, just be neutral, just do your job. Where's country bumpkin today?
What's that?
Where's country bumpkin lady?
I know.
Country girl.
I missed the big red hat.
Beacon. It's a beacon to IKEA
The beacon to IKEA headquarters.
Sweden.
So what do you think, Derek?
I think when a company,
flag people taking positions on labor disputes.
I think when a company tells me I cannot come back to work unless I take concessions.
That's a lockout. Yes.
That's the definition of a lockout when you look at it.
That is a lockout by law.
In the dictionary, right?
Yes.
So that's why it is a lockout.
If they lifted the lockout, you come back under your old collective agreement.
I was willing to work
That's the law.
I was willing to work under the old contract, and they said no, it was not in IKEA's best interest.
That's right.
It was in their best interest to force concessions on us and tell us we can't come back to work unless we accept those concessions. That's just the truth, I mean, right? That's
Yes.
a fact. That's a fact.
You can Google it.
Yeah, you should just be neutral like Switzerland, and it's easier, right? Makes your life easier too. Makes our life and your life easier to just be neutral and don't give your opinion, because unless you don't really know the facts, you weren't in there for like 4 months before the lockout started, hearing all the threats from management that if you don't accept this, we're going to lock you out. I've been hearing it for 4 months before the lockout even started.
Yeah.
So like, you have to know the facts. You have to be an insider to know what's really going on.
That's
Media
right.
just twists everything.
But she might be undercover insider.
She might be the new IKEA store manager.
You never know.
Might want a job at IKEA. After this is all over, they're going to need more managers, so she might be managing material. That's what I think about that, Grant.
All right, well, appreciate your opinion.